Here's the challenge, and here's the challenge with like going online. A lot of folks say, well, I went online. In fact, everybody does that, and yours truly as well, to see if you can find some similar experience that someone else has had with their car to make it easier to fix an automobile. Now, for us, we have professional sites that we go to that we pay for, like AllData, for information, TSBs, recalls, service bulletins, wiring diagrams. I mean, if you're going to go somewhere, you have to have a map. Well, that's what a wiring diagram is for an automobile, and you must have one to trace any electrical circuits and other professional. But the bottom line is, in order for you to really fix a specific part on an automobile, you're not going to find you're not going to find the specific fix online. There's always a caveat. There's always some little something that, well, it worked on one car, but it was built 2 months earlier than yours, or it had a different wire than yours, or it had a different transmission or different gear ratio. So you can learn a little bit, but don't take it for gospel. Okay, let's go to New York and take David's call. Then I see